Hello, it's Danny back with video 2 on the wrists. Let's drop the left wrist down. Let's go into more flexion here today. Maybe even a light pressure. A light push down with your right hand and then push back up with your left. Go just past neutral to extend and then release. Let the wrist drop down. Apply light pressure. You can be weight shifting and dancing downstairs. As you do a light stretch here, you can move the wrist a little. Play, then push gently, right back and release. We could do that against a wall. I've got to be careful, dragon fruits are cactuses, but I'll demonstrate here how you could lean in. Now if the wrist is a bit lower, easier, higher, more challenging, but you could weight shift and lean in and do some extra flexion, bit of play up and down, light closed chain there as you work that left wrist in the flex position. Let's shake out. Plop your right hand down, apply light pressure here. Again, weave it a bit, play, push against that and release. And think rehab, think subtle. This is not heavy duty strength training. This is just applying a little bit of pressure, toning the extenders, but releasing, lengthening under a bit of pressure the flexors. We can do the same thing. Drop the hand, lean in, back of the hand towards the wall, door frame somewhere. You can drop your body to get more range. Higher, more pressure, lower, a little easier, so find a good height. Weave your body a bit, lean in, even a bit of shoulder blade release. Elbow can be soft, it's fine. But a little bit of mobility, weighted mobility for flexing your wrists. Okay, that's it. Keeping these videos short. Thanks for watching video 2. Be sure to look out for the next one. It'll be about extension. Cheers.